Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Shivani on behalf of Paramount Public School. Today I am going to teach you lesson grade 4th lesson the motion of the earth. The motion of the earth. Beta, this chapters we are starting with our games. Do you know what is this? Of course, you know it very well. It's top. What is it? Top. And have you played with it? Yeah, of course you have played with it. It's a top. While you are spinning, you are feeling it's very interesting. Yes, it is spinning in two motions, on its axis and on the earth, round on the earth. Yes, beta. It's my topic, motion of the earth. As top is spinning on the earth, on its axis and round. Same, our earth is moving all time. That is also having two motions. It's on axis and round the sun. So there are two types of the motion. Number one, it is called rotation. Number two, it's called revolution. Firstly, I will tell you about the rotation. So what is rotation? Rotation means to say the earth rotates from the west to east. Now I am telling you, before this concept, I am telling you four directions. See here, that is north, south, west and east. So our earth rotates from the west to east. West to east. This way it's rotate and complete one rotation. Once again, the earth rotates from the west to east around its axis and complete one rotation in a day or in 24 hours. It's known as rotation. It's known as rotation. Now once again I'm telling you, see beta, this is globe. Okay. So globe, this is the north pole, this is the south pole and its west side, this is east side. This globe, while we are rotating west to east, the same way our earth like a globe, it rotates from west to east on its axis. A tilt on its axis, it's known as rotation. Now, I am telling you what are the effects of the rotation. Effects. Number one, but it causes day and night. It causes day and night. So, I am telling how. Number one, see this picture. Beta, this you can do at your home also. This is an activity. You will take a globe and a torch. While you will on the torch, it gives light on the half part of the globe. While half part of the globe gets light, there is a day. Same way on the earth. While earth is rotating round the sun, half part of the earth gets light. That part of the earth having day. So there is a day. The part which didn't get the light, that there is a night. So mean to say the earth faces the sun. Okay, it is a day. While its faces away from the sun, there is night. Understand? Yes. So, I am telling you the earth shape. But you are looking here, it looks like a orange. It's look like a ball. Yeah. But little difference is there. That earth shape from the top and the bottom, there is a flattened shape. There is flattened shape. So, the earth looks like a flattened orange, flat at the top and the bottom and bulging around the middle. It's known as joint. It's known as joint. So I am telling you now the second, revolution. What is revolution? Second motion is revolution. So beta, the earth moves around the sun. I am telling you it's around on its axis as well as it's around the So the earth moves around the sun at the same time. This movement is called revolution. This movement is called revolution. So I am telling you its effect also. Beta, from these motions, mean to say, while revolution is there and the rotation is there, while both motions are there, it causes the changes of the season. It causes the changes of the season. How many seasons are there? 4. Number 1, spring. Number 2, winter. Number 3, spring. And number 4, autumn. Okay, now I am telling you little bit about these season. See here picture. But this is the picture of your earth. In the middle there is a equator. Above of the equator there is Tropic of Cancer and downward Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, now I am telling you how summer is there and how winter is there. See beta, there is sun while earth is moving around. Its northern part having the sun. So there is summer, while the half part which is not getting the light by the sun, there is winter. So same way, while it is rotate, the southern part of the earth gets heat, there is summer, and northern part didn't get heat, so there is winter. So this causes the season. Very good. Now I am telling you 21st June sun is directly at the Tropic of Cancer. Where is Tropic of Cancer? Here. See now. So it is known as summer solstice. It is the longest day. Now 22nd December sun is directly at the Tropic of Capricorn. See here Capricorn. Yeah. So winter solstice is there. So this is also the longest day. Now I am telling you about the equinoxes. So what is equinoxes? Equinoxes means day and nights have same length. Means same are having daytime, same are having night time. Very good. There are two types, autumnal equinox and spring equinox. So 23rd December is known as the autumn equinox and 21st March is known as the spring equinox. So I hope you will understand this, and beta you will do this activity at your home and safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.